buying gold and silver for survival, or when the hits the fan. Yes, we're going there. In this two-part series, I'll share the best forms of gold and silver for preparation, what sizes, weights, and which recognizable forms are best, and how you can practically implement these strategies even if the world doesn't go to hell in a handbasket. To read the full article on how you can protect yourself during a survival scenario with precious metals, see the link in the video description. This has been a requested video for some time, so let's get into it. But wait. Before we start, I am not talking about a Mad Max, cannibal marauder populated, resource-shorted wasteland that takes place after Tyler Durden blows up the major banking centers, sending the world into a financial tailspin. Please pardon my Gen X movie plot references. Now let's really get into it. This video is meant to relay practical information, not serve as a doom and gloom scare piece. This will arm you with reasonable tips and strategies for survival planning. That being said, if mass chaos were to ensue for whatever reason, it is instructive to heed the advice of the billionaire hedge fund investor Kyle Bass. When Kyle Bass was asked by Michael Lewis, the author of The Big Short and Moneyball, "What do you tell your mother when she asks about where to put her money?" Bass simply stated, "Guns and gold." Stocking up on survival necessities means nothing if you cannot protect it. I will mainly focus on gold for this video and elaborate on silver in more depth in a future video. That being said, it is worth noting that silver coins are a sound option and alternative to gold and could be considered fractional gold for survival purposes. Typically, gold should be for hoarding or larger transactions, and silver is for small day-to-day transactions. In silver's case, pre-1965 US 90% silver coins and 1-ounce silver rounds are a good option. They are easily recognizable and budget-friendly. Even the biggest naysayers of gold, like Warren Buffett, still see the upside of silver, absent an economic collapse. His legendary $129.7 million silver purchase for Berkshire Hathaway speaks for itself. Shifting to gold when preparing for survival scenarios, selecting the right type of gold is essential. Top options include the Gold Combi Bar, the PAMP Gold Bar, and the Gold American Eagle, each offering unique benefits in relation to purity, versatility, and investment potential. The Gold Combi Bar is a standout for its versatility. Minted by Valcambi Swiss, its purity is 0.9999 pure gold. But what sets it apart is its design of 20 breakable 1-gram tabs. This unique feature gives you flexibility in situations where you need smaller denominations of gold, making it perfectly suited for survival circumstances. Next, the PAMP Gold Bar is budget-friendly and offers the same purity of 0.9999. Produced by PAMP Suisse, it comes with Veriscan authenticity, assuring you of its quality and reliability. It's an excellent entry point for those new to gold investing. Lastly, the Gold American Eagle is a top-tier choice for those seeking an investment as well as a survival asset. Minted by the U.S. Mint, it's 0.9999 pure and weighs 1 troy ounce. Its recognition and liquidity make it an ideal choice for those looking to diversify their investment portfolio while also preparing for any survival situation. Also, fractional gold coins such as the half-ounce, quarter-ounce, and 1/10 ounce gold eagles and cougarans are suggested as well for smaller transactions. Factors to consider when choosing gold: versatility, size and weight, and recognition. Let's break down these factors to make certain that you are well equipped to make the right decision. The spot premium, which is the price you pay over the gold spot price, is an essential element to take into account. While you may be tempted to go for the cheapest option, you should be aware the lower the spot premium may mean lower purity. Denomination is another significant factor. Owning a mix of bullion denominations, ounces, half ounces, quarter ounces, 10th ounces, and bars are beneficial. Versatility plays an important role as well. For survival scenarios, having different types of gold, being bars, coins, or rounds, increases your options for barter and trade. Versatile gold forms are more likely to be accepted in various scenarios, gives you an advantage when liquidity is paramount. Understanding the importance of size, weight, and recognition in your gold investments is a critical part of the survival strategy. The physical dimensions of gold, such as the size and weight, greatly impact the portability and storage. You need to ponder if your gold investment can easily be moved or stored securely. Larger bars may offer greater value and premiums, but they're more difficult to transport and store in a discrete manner. Smaller denominations like coins and gram bars, on the other hand, are more manageable and practical for everyday use. Weight is another key factor. Investing in lighter units can make it easier for you to carry your gold, especially in a survival situation where mobility is crucial or your ability to travel may be limited. See the link in the video description to read our article on fractional gold investing. Recognition as well is essential. Gold investments should be easily identifiable and widely recognized. This ensures that they can easily be traded or sold when necessary. Gold coins minted by the government, for instance, are easily recognizable and widely accepted. They also come with a guarantee of their weight and purity. On the other hand, gold bars require verification of weight and purity, which can complicate transactions. A good, reputable source for physical gold is Noble Gold Investments. In addition to gold IRAs, Noble Gold provides Royal Survival Packs for quick and easy access to gold and silver, particularly in the event of a catastrophic economic collapse or national emergency. Noble Gold Investments offers a range of survival packs priced from $10,000 to $500,000 plus. Delivered to your door and stored in your home, you have ultimate control over your gold and silver as well as peace of mind. To get started, links to Noble Gold's products are in the video description. Now, we will go to the dark side. In part 2, we will explore the more urgent and extreme situations that could emerge and would be reasons to buy gold and silver for survival. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. If you are interested in further investment opportunities like gold IRAs or the opportunity of earning yield on your gold, see the links in the video description. Thanks for watching.